When a narrow beam of light enters a glass prism, we can see that on the other end is a series of spectrum, a series of colors, or a pattern of colors observed in the other side. So the point is, the colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, VIBGY, or in acronym, can be seen on the other side. So what is this? This is called the spectrum or dispersion phenomena of the light when enters a medium like glass. So the phenomena of splitting of light into its component colors is known as dispersion, and the pattern of color components of light is called a spectrum of light. Now this word spectrum, you know that depending on the electromagnetic spectrum, now it has a wide range of meaning, but here we are just denoting that the colors of white light is known as the spectrum. We can say that a small portion of the actual electromagnetic spectrum is visible light, that is very narrow in the range. Okay, that is the uh, idea of dispersion. This can be happen in any media that has a ability, or that has a ability to disperse light. So that depends on the medium. Okay, now the question is very different. Is this dispersion of light is a phenomenon of the glass prism, or the glass prism itself generated seven colors? That is a question we want to answer. So when we consider that type of question, we can say that if we place another inverted prism near the first prism, we can say that this phenomena just reciprocate the entire things, which means it is an reversibility of the things happened in the previous case. So first prism just scatters, or not scatters, disperse all the colors into VIBGY, and the second prism just makes all the VIBGY colors to a single white light beam. So we can say that the prism itself has a capability of dispersing color and rejoining this into a white light, a white beam. So this is a phenomenon, this is a pattern of the things happened in the dispersion. So we can say that this is just an idea that a beam of light, a media that has an ability to disperse light, has an ability to rejoin themselves. So we can say that it is just an ability of the media, not because of the medium generates skull. So the reason of all the things are just a white light beam enters on the one side and it enters on the other side also. So this is a simple mechanisms to understand how white light beam is split into different colors. Now we consider each color has a particular value of wavelength associated with this. So we know that red color has a longer wavelength, approximately 700 nanometer, and violet has a short wavelength, approximately 400 nanometer. We says that dispersion take place because of the refractive index of media for different wavelength is different. So different wavelength is different means the red component of white light is least dispersive, bending is very less, and for violet the bending is most, because red light travels faster in glass medium, and violet light travels slow comparatively to red light in glass medium. So this is shown in this diagram. which shows that as refractive index is equal to C by A V. So V means for red V is greater, so refractive index is less. For violet V is less, so refractive index is more. So we can say that this is just in proportion. So 369.6 396.9 is just, it's a wavelength, it is just just makes the crown glass or the refractive index of the media a greater quantity than corresponding to the red color. So this is just for comparison. All the colors and its refractive index are given in the table.